Hello to everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I'm racing in Poland, and this is, let's say, a quite special RC Rally event because one of you is here racing together with me. There we have Fredrik. He's a guy from Sweden. He's following my YouTube channel since I had like 300, 400 subscribers, and he came here in Poland to see RC Rally and to race together with us because his idea is also to bring RC Rally in Sweden. Let's have a close-up of him. He's driving in a very good way for being his first RC Rally, and today's event is not easy. It's not easy because it's raining, it's quite slippery, and on this course we have quite few obstacles that we will see later together. Of course, later we're going to have a talk also with Fredrik. And the event already started. I was not able to film since the beginning because it was raining harder. I had to get ready. I helped Fredrik to understand how it works here at RC Rally event. By the way, I was able to win the first stage with 6 seconds of advantage. Later I'm going to show you which car is using Fredrik. And yeah, first stage I won with 6 seconds of advantage, and the model is working in a good way. The setup, I improved even more the setup since the last RC Rally on tarmac. I was complaining about my setup. I get it right, so I mean in the right direction. Now I'm, let's say, trying to improve that setup that is already good. It's raining even harder. It's going to be an interesting event. Later I'm going to show you my setup, and guys, as usual, leave a like, subscribe in order to support my channel, and I really hope to see you more here in Poland, Czech Republic, in Spain, and so on. We are here right after the first stage.
Yep.
Fredrik, how do you feel?
It feels great to have gotten started. Super nervous before, but as I thought when I started running, the nervosity just disappeared and all the focus went on the car. So yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with the first stage.
Yeah, I saw you driving. I think that you train a lot back in Sweden because your driving style it's quite clean, and it seems that you have experience in RC in general.
Yeah, sure. I have been driving RC for a few years and in many different disciplines. So I think that helps, of course. And the key in this kind of stages, I think, is to not go full throttle, but keep calm and hitting the track.
Yeah, because let's say somehow the more you slide, the worst time is.
Yeah, it looks cooler, but it isn't faster.
Yeah, okay, not in every corner, in every part of this stage, but there are a few moments that is better to control. I don't know, are you enjoying Poland? How is your trip and everything?
Yeah, it's been amazing. First time in Poland, and I'm definitely going back because everyone is really friendly and helpful, and
we have great RC rallies.
Yeah, of course. That's the main reason why I will come back.
Okay, so let's enjoy the event. I will go back to you later, and of course you will need to film a stage.
Of course.
And okay, guys, see you later, and as usual, to leave a like to support my channel.
Of course.
The situation is bad, guys, because it's raining more and more without interruption, and I think this event is going to be cancelled. Fredrik is enjoying this day because he's testing the cars of the other drivers. Right now he tested a different XV02 modified. Fredrik, coming here and seeing different models, how do you think about your XV02?
Yeah, I think I really do need to work about my turning radius. That's the main difference, I think. Then regarding shock oil, stiffness of the springs and so on, that's much up to the driver, I think.
Okay.
What suits the driver and so on. But turning radius is definitely the key. in these tight corners and things like that. So I do have something, some work to do for the next time I visit Poland, I think.
Yeah, because you are planning to come back.
Yeah, of course, definitely.
Yeah. We can proudly say that you got the 10th place overall in the first stage.
The first stage, right.
It was very long, 7 minutes almost,
Yeah.
and 10th place on a debut is not bad.
Yeah, I'm happy, of course, but still, it's just one. It's just one stage, so I should not get too excited, I think.
Okay, I have an idea. I give you my camera, and you can film a bit of driving before the trucks disappear because of the water. Is it okay?
Sure, yeah.
So we have also this memory.
Yeah, that's okay.
I'm trying to give to Fredrik the full Dario garage experience.
Sure. Let's get.
3, 2, 1, go! It's not so easy to see.
It's super hard to see the follow the course. It's almost done.
Right. Keep going.
And no, I don't see the track. It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah, it's super happy. It's super hard to see the track right now, so it's kind of disappearing in the rain, but it's still super fun.
Okay, I think that we can end this video. Yep. Again, welcome to Poland, welcome in this RC Rally world here, and I hope to see you again here on my YouTube channel.
Yeah, me too. Thank you.
So, see you next week for a new video. Ciao!
Ciao.